Hello mga kabebski! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Joy. How are you guys doing? Let me ask you, are you having a hard time searching your YouTube channel? Or your YouTube channel is not in the top list in the YouTube when you open it? Then you must stay tuned and keep watching because for today's video, I'm gonna share to you on what I did to make my YouTube channel searchable. But before anything else, for those who is new in my channel, please subscribe now, guys. You're very welcome. And don't forget to click the bell button for more videos updates. But for now, let's get started. You know what? It took me several times changing my YouTube channel name, but I end up with this name, Living with Joy. As you can see, my name is Joy and it's very common. Every time I put in, there's someone has the same name as my YouTube channel name. For example, that little girl above, we have the same channel name, so every time I search my channel, so her channel will coming up first. So later on, I decided to change it into Living with Joy Vlogs. See? It can be seen now. You know what? Before, it's really hard to find it. I keep on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. And now, what we will do, we will make it on the top and it will be searchable. So first, go to your browser, click your Google Chrome, then go to search and type youtube.com. And it will be directly to your home but still not desktop site, so you have to click the three dot at the top in the right side, choose desktop site, and it will turn like this. Click your profile picture at the top in the right side, choose your channel, and then click your YouTube studio. After that, you can see the settings below in the left side. Click that one. And finally, you are here. Go to your channel, click that one. Under the basic info, you can see your channel name and the keywords, which is my YouTube channel name, Living with Joy Vlogs, and my keywords. You know what? Before, this keywords area is empty. And since it's my first time, so I really don't know. And then, when I do some research, it is very important as a YouTuber that you can put your keywords so that your channel name is searchable. And so that all of your viewers and new subscribers, they can search easily your channel name. You know what is keywords means? It is a title of the content of your videos that you uploaded on your YouTube channel. Look what I did. I type how to make your YouTube channel searchable and on the top list. You must not miss every single details about your videos and your YouTube channel, as many as you can. Check this out. I put every title of my videos, my YouTube intro, and my YouTube channel name, either in small letters and in the capital letters. You can also put there the categories of your videos. For example, if it's all about hairstyle, and if it's all about makeups, tips and ideas, or travels, joyful moments, or it's only for technology, or funny moments, or TikTok compilation, anything about your videos. So we are done. So let's try to search my channel name. Let's go to YouTube and type Living with Joy Vlogs. And finally, it's on the top now. So every time your new subscribers and your viewers search your channel, it will gonna show like this. And not only that, also your latest videos can be shown too. So even you will type into small letters. Let's try this. See? It's still on the top. And even you will type into a capital letters. Let's try this. See? It's still the same because you already put in your keywords. So we proved now that this is legit. And we learned that it's very important to put keywords on your YouTube channel so that your channel name is searchable. Also, I will give you an idea. If, for example, your channel name is not searchable, then you must try to change it, like what I did, or adding something, for example, vlogs, or channel, or official page, like that. Same what I did, Living with Joy before, and then I changed it into Living with Joy Vlogs. So now it is searchable. So mga kabebs, it's another learnings for today. Thank you for watching, and please do watch my other videos. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell button for more videos updates. Have a great day mga kabebs. See you in my next video. Adios!